Forwarding email in bulk is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account, and once that's done, I want you to find the emails that you want to forward. Now, finding the emails that you want to forward might be a little bit tricky because with the inbox you get email from different people, and you can use the search here to find an email from one particular person. And once you get that, you click on this select button, and you can click here and you can forward as attachment. Once you forward them as attachment, you realize that all the emails get attached to a particular mail, and you can send that to whoever you're sending to. Or you can go to inbox, select the emails that you want to forward individually, click here, still forward as attachment. Now that's how you bulk forward emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.